Well, we just got our margaritas. How are they,
Very
Kuriie?
good. A little more tart than I'm used to, but it's a good tart, so that's nice.
And what do you think about their margaritas?
They provide an appropriate level of brain freeze.
Brain freeze. So a 10 out of 10 on the brain
10
freeze.
out of 10 on brain freeze.
Yeah. They just visually also look really nice
They
too.
do.
But yes, you're right with the tartness. But I think it works for it though.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
I do like that they serve them in a nice, like, solid glass.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Yeah, visually it's very pretty.
It's a chonker.
I could
agree.
use 10 pounds of more salt on the rim, but that's fine.
Oh, more salt.
I love
Critiquing the
salt.
salt.
Same.
I was told that this is the best recipe of margaritas in Austin. So worth thousands
Thousands of
Thousands.
a year.
What did you end up getting, Kuriie?
The Gordita. Because it sounded like a cheesy Gordita. I was like, I like those.
Well, we aren't lowbrow at all.
Bless.
But it has refried beans in it, so
It's definitely different.
yeah. Let's give it a try.
Because probably also not cheesy.
I didn't get any meat in that bite. The crispy shell is nice. I'm excited to get to the onions.
Oh.
I feel like I should spread them out a little bit more though, because they're all kind of piled.
Oh yeah, they're kind of like piled on top.
It's kind of like they just put an entire onion there. Let's do that instead.
Okay.
Let's go. Very good. It said it was gonna have cheese on it, but I don't taste any cheese at all.
Yeah, I think it's like burnt on the top.
Oh, okay.
You see how it's melted up there?
Flavor-wise, the shell is really good. The meat has a nice texture. It's not too chewy. Sometimes when you eat tacos or meat in a thing like this, the beef kind of gets really chewy. And that always is very off-putting, but this one actually has a really good texture for the meat itself.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yo, look at all that lettuce. Underneath this chonker is some beef right there. It's a Rico's torta. Alright. Very good. This is my go-to.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. But a little bit of green salsa would be like really nice to add some kick.
Let's try the green salsa, Tim.
It's really hot. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of, just a little bit.
That's a lot, a little bit. Wait, let me see that. Just a little bit, he says.
Yeah, just this is that right there. It's
Yeah.
fine. Just a little bit. All right, here we go. It's very hot. So what I really like about the sandwich is like it's a very complete sandwich with onions, tomatoes, lettuce, guacamole, sour cream, and beef. So it's like pretty filling and a really nice bun that's slightly sweet.
Justin, how's your gordita?
It's delicious.
He didn't get any meat on, or any,
That's what I said.
I avoided the rabbit food,
no rabbit food.
but we have steak and green stuff and red stuff.
Cool.
Just a little bit of salsa. Kurie's feeling a little adventurous.
Yeah. I don't know if it's spicy or not. We're gonna find out.
We could do a series of challenges where Kristen earns money to gamble in Vegas.
Oh, I like this.
Like $20 per jalapeno you eat.
Yo.
All right.
Well, you have one right
I
there.
do have a jalapeno. So only 20 for this though?
It's a jalapeno. It's not.
You can
It's not
eat
like
more
a
than
ghost
one.
pepper.
Good God. Come on. All right.
All right. Well, that's 40
What-
bucks though if I eat both.
Yeah, that's $40. Oh. Does she have to eat the stem?
No.
Oh. Great. What happened? That's $20. That's like winning a jackpot.
The easiest $20 you've ever
Oh,
made.
she's going for it. Yo.
Straight into the sink.
Oh no. Let's see what. Oh my God, that's a lot of seeds in it. Oh my God, that's
There's still like half a jalapeno.
that's peppery. Oh yeah. Can I eat it on her behalf?
Sure.
Okay. for Kuriie.
You look a little sweaty there.
It was hot.
Are you regretting that at all?
$20 is $20.
Now try the gordita after. Does it enhance the flavor?
I think there's a jalapeno seed stuck in my teeth.
Oh no! Thank you for the experience. Congratulations, Kuriie. You won 40 bucks.
Woo! I feel like I'm drooling because like my mouth is like salivating from the spice. I don't do spice very well, but when you put $20 on the table, I gotta take it.
Yeah. We're gonna find some spicy.
Oh! Man
There
of
you
his
go.
word. Look at that fair exchange. Thumbnail
As I
right
cry
there.
over it.
That's
I'm
awesome.
gonna get my hands on a ghost pepper.
Oh!
$100 right there.
For $100, can I have milk on the side, like just
Fuck
in
yeah,
case?
sure. You just gotta
Yeah.
eat the thing.
Okay, I'll do it for $100.
Okay. What an amazing adventure. So how would you rate this place, Corey?
Pre-pepper, I'd say was pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Post-pepper, I feel like the margarita's a little better.
Yeah. And the gordita?
It's probably a lifesaver at this point.
I know. I would imagine that.
You know, my tongue hurts. It's hitting my tongue and it hurts. I wouldn't usually use this word for it, but this after the 2 jalapenos is refreshing.
Ooh, refreshing.
Yeah.
Well, there you have it. El Pollo Rico, refreshing.
Refreshing gorditas.
We have realized there's not one, but 2 more peppers. And this man is honoring his $20 pepper deal.
For Vegas.
Because we only have 2 more peppers, and I don't have additional 20s, if you eat the 2 other peppers, you can trade your $40 for $100.
Wow. Does she have to eat the stem, though?
No.
No stem.
But
Wow.
she does have to eat the whole pepper.
She has to eat the whole pepper. I can't help
His
you.
pepper's a lot bigger than mine.
Okay.
Hey, don't talk about my pepper like that.
Yeah. His is a little fresher too. Mine's a little wrinkly.
The last one you ate was even bigger than that.
Yeah.
Should I eat them at the same time?
There was a little big chunker.
Alright, let's go.
We'll blur that one out.
No, that's got to be slow motion with sound effects.
Those- $100 is $100.
when you're an up and coming graphic designer, $100 is $100. Kuriie.com for graphic design commission.
Cough up the 40.
Here's the
Upgrade.
my face hurts.
Challenge.
Challenge number 2.
Mr. Tinner has been challenged to drink the container of green.
Drink the container of green.
Of green.
It is pretty hot.
What is the green?
It is
Salsa verde.
it's roasted jalapenos in oil and then food processed.
Okay, so we've agreed that it's $20
It's
to
a
drink
lot
that.
of puree. Now I'm looking at it.
Hold on, we've agreed that it's $20 to drink that, right?
$20 to drink it. The
I
whole
will
thing.
up the bet and say it's $40 if you drink it and don't touch another piece of food or beverage for 5 minutes.
But what if the churros come out?
You have to wait.
Kuriie, can you lick the lid to demonstrate how hot it is?
Dude, I already had so many spicy
so
things.
gross.
I had 4 jalapenos.
You wanna
No.
validate the hotness? of it?
I'm paying the
Yeah,
bet.
no, I know, but what if I'm lying to you? This is candy.
Oh, well.
Oh well. Okay. All right. Cheers.
Hold on. You got a timer?
Oh, I have the time. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's fair. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that's so gross. Oh, he licked it!
He's got to consume the whole thing. He's a man of his word. He's completing challenges diligently.
Does that count?
That counts.
Okay.
You're good.
Can I wipe my lips?
No. I shouldn't swear. F no.
I'll bleep
No,
it out.
we got dolphins, so I can say
Piss.
piss.
Well, piss
Bleeding
is...
But they won't even know what I said.
That's true. Especially the last one because it's so...
Your lips are turning pink.
I'm really hoping the churros come right now so we can enjoy them. And you're just sitting there. Don't worry, Tin. Only 4 more minutes to go.
Oh my god. Oh, it's kicking in.
You have some on your mouth, Tim.
Yeah, I asked for a napkin and he said no.
I said no. Kristen, how's your margarita?
It's very good. I drank almost
hate
all of
this.
it. Here, let me take a sip.
You should take a sip. Oh, that looks delicious.
My nose is
Refreshing even.
Yeah, very refreshing. Almost as refreshing as that, like, gordita I ate after I ate a jalapeno.
Oh man, I wouldn't want to eat something hot and then have no way to refresh myself.
Yeah, that would kind of
that'd be
suck,
difficult.
wouldn't it?
Yeah. We are at 1:49.
Wow, time is so slow.
Oh, here they come.
Awesome. Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Of course.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Kristen, Tori, would you like a fresh hot churro?
I would. Wow, those look beautiful. Look how nice those look.
They're warm too.
Ooh, warm churros.
Smell them.
Yeah.
Would you like to smell?
I can't smell anything.
You know,
240.
I haven't eaten churros very often, but these are very, very good.
They're good.
They have like something on the
Something in the
inside.
middle, yeah.
What's in the middle of them?
Oh, and they're filled?
Yeah.
Oh, they're usually not filled.
Well, these ones are filled. They're filled real good.
Mm-hmm.
It's such a shame that you can't eat these
They're
for another 3 minutes.
delicious filled with delicious.
This is very good.
My only regret is that I'm not gluttonous enough to finish these all before your time runs out.
Oh, you know, that would be... I would probably have to go and buy another one.
These with ice cream would be baller.
Yeah.
If
Like
only we
vanilla
knew
ice
of an ice cream place. Oh, that's what we should do next time. Andy's plus churro. Oh.
What's on the middle, Tim?
Might be custard.
It's really good. It's so good, too.
I've never had them here.
I'm so sad that you can't have these.
I win!
Did win!
Your reward, sir.
Thank you.
He's so happy about the churro, he forgot about the cash.
So hot.
It's hot. Yeah, it's very hot. Do you want a napkin to hold it with?
$40. Nice.
That's going on roulette or craps. We don't know which yet. You'll
You
find
guys
out.
Are too motivated by money. I'm gonna get you to do some messed up.
That's fine.
I'm very motivated by money.
I have a freelance graphic designer salary. I'll do anything. Well, cheers.
One of the greatest scientific minds of all time, Sir Isaac Newton, never had sex before he died. And he goes, that means I've got one thing up on Sir Isaac Newton. I'm still alive.
We strive for good enough.
Status quo is,
Just like where we're gonna go to eat. At El Pollo Rico. It's just good enough.
chicken Rick.
Chicken Rick.
I'm compensating.
Constipated?
Constipate, no. Considering?
Complicated.
What are you, no, what
Why
was the
have
word
to
you
be so
asked?
complicated?
What was the word you asked, Kristen?
This is so complicated.
What are you,
What-
what are you considering? What are you,
What am I? Can you
Contemplating.
Oh, okay.
That's the word. What are you contemplating? I'm constipated.
If I stick it out far enough, is that tongue red?
Yes.
No. You see? I can't see.
I can see my tongue.
look,
how
look,
long. No,
look.
no.
No.
I can stick my tongue out like really far. I can touch my nose. Watch.
Doesn't mean you can see it.
I can
Yeah,
see my tongue though.
Do the side profile for him. Yeah.
I have a really
Can
long
you see your
tongue.
tongue?
No.
Yeah.
I just have a long tongue. I don't know what to tell you. I'm like a little snake.
You want to tell the story how you got to that point? In
When
your
I was
career?
a kid, my parents had a mirror in their dining room, and I really wanted to be able to touch my tongue to my nose. So I just practiced stretching my tongue so I could lick the bottom of my nose.
There you go, kids.
You can
Practice can
you two
overcome
at the age
anything.
of 6. At the age of 6, can totally get your tongue to touch your nose if you try hard enough. It's just a matter of practice, like anything else.
Never give up.
Nurture, not nature.
Nurture, not nature.